Well, here we go. Round 3. Welcome back, guys. Pat with Advanced RV Centers in Okeechobee, Florida. Park model time 2021 Cottage by Cedar Creek. It's the rear living floor plan with 3 slides. They call it the 40 CRS. Just come in here on consignment. We're gonna get it cleaned up and ready to go for you here. But I wanted to take a quick video. This is just the way it come in, which really shows the overall condition before we clean it up. Nice and shiny all the way around. No leaks anywhere. Got this awning out. It's gonna have to get that cleaned up. Bedroom entry. Nice big sliding glass door there at your main entry. All your decals and slide seals, awning toppers are in good shape. Got 2 rooftop ACs. These also feature a residential water heater, right around 20-25 gallons, I believe. Really good units for destination. Long term. Great big slides, makes this thing open up really nice inside. But again, the paint and body condition is excellent. A lot of them I look at are chalky. This is not the case. I got a little storage box here. Your water heater's in that door there. It's not unlocked at the moment. Let me take you inside and tell you a little bit about it. '" 2021 Cedar Creek Cottage 40 CRS. It's a rear living floor plan, so you got a great big bay window there. You're surrounded by windows, really. So if you have a nice high profile lot, you get to really experience a nice view with this particular unit. So you got a sleeper sofa there, theater seating, fireplace, nice big TV there. Big beautiful island countertop, 4-burner cooktop by Insignia, convection microwave, great big pantry, lots of storage, nice big Frigidaire residential refrigerator with the basement lower freezer here. You got some kind of Wi-Fi boosters here. By King. Up here, you're going to control a lot of your lighting and your slide outs, your awning, that sort of thing. Additional storage there. Nice tall ceiling in these units, so you got nice tall showers with glass doors. Really well laid out and accented. King size bed here in the master bedroom. Great big closet, plenty of space. You got the washer and dryer stack here by Splendid. Unit's ready to go. Just needs a new owner, and if you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out. Again, my name's Pat with Advanced RV Centers. 561-719-9774. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.